Since time immemorial, man has always been continually in pursuit of the fountain of youth. Health and longevity has been the foremost concern of science and the subject of numerous researches. At the end of last century, Dr. Attarde, a scientist and a professor at the California Institute of Technology, USA, Department of Molecular Organism, discovered that the main reason for human senescence is oxidation. Recent researches strongly suggests that oxidation is the major cause of aging and degeneration. It can be likened to a plant that withers or a bridge that collapses. Oxidation is the interaction between oxygen molecules and all the different substances they may come in contact with, from metal to living tissue. Degeneration will not occur without the unstable oxygen or free radicals that causes oxidation. Oxidation is a common phenomenon that we come across in our daily life. A metal clip rusts, a peeled fruit turns brown, then rots when they are exposed to the oxygen present in the air. With slow oxidation, the body cell senescence slows down. By preventing and restricting, therefore, the occurrence of oxidation, biological cell life will be prolonged. If the rate of healthy cell reproduction is faster than the rate of oxidation, then longer and healthier life is achieved. World Health Organization believes that 80% of the factors that causes diseases are waterborne. But we must not dismiss the fact that human cells are composed of 70% water. How then could we restrict oxidation? According to studies, drinking healthy water could drastically reduce the risks of contracting diseases by 80%. Water is our lifeline. All living organisms are dependent on it every moment of our existence, is directly or indirectly in contact with water. Based on incomplete statistics, more than 5 million people die each year due to water-related illnesses. The facts mentioned earlier are too significant to ignore. Various questions arise. What kind of water then should we drink? What kind of water, which is not susceptible to oxidation, should we drink that can aid us in enjoying optimal health and promote longevity? Professor Lee Chai-chung, famous scientist in Korea, has been devoting himself in studying healthy drinking water. He is analyzing and comparing considerable drinking water around the world. He found a spring in a longevity village, France, from which villagers draw their drinking water. He found out that the average lifespan of the villagers are one of the highest in the world. The research has shown the molecule of the spring of longevity village is small, dissolves easily, and slightly alkaline. This kind of spring water has remarkable health benefits to every cell in the body. The people from all over the world went to drink from that spring to help them prevent or cure illnesses. For convenience, people have brought water home with them, but the water lost its freshness and its potency in curing some ailments due to prolonged exposure to air. Professor Lee spent 10 years researching how to turn the ordinary water into same kind of water of that from the longevity village, so as to enable everybody to enjoy the same health benefits, and finally developed antioxidant reduction water stick. These can transform tap water into the same one that has the same quality as the spring in Longevity Village, of which all kinds of indexes have completely exceeded the ones that the spring in Longevity Village have. The antioxidation reduction water stick that can convert antioxidation reduction water possesses extremely strong reduction capability due to its rich activated hydrogen that can combine with excess activated oxygen in the human body to produce water, and then will be eliminated from the body through metabolism, thus boosting vitality and immunity. We call the antioxidation reduction water that has been transformed by antioxidation reduction water stick scientifically made natural water, which could provide healthy protection in the most natural way. The antioxidation reduction water stick is a modern high-tech healthcare product that transforms inorganic water into organic water healthy antioxidation reduction water by means of physical and chemical reaction. It comes in handy, attractive sticks. The outer shell is made from stainless steel, covered with special materials, same as the materials used in Korean medical apparatus, of which the inner part include derivative and reductive chemical ceramic granule, imported rare ore, wave reduction chemical ceramic granules. The characteristics of the antioxidation reduction water are as follows. First, possesses potent reducing capability to produce oxidation reduction potential value that is close to body fluid. Secondly, to promote physical and mental health and to supplement and prevent illness and ward off senescence by breaking off active oxygen. Thirdly, the water molecule is reduced in size, thus it is easily absorbed and tastes fresh. Fourth, the heavy metal in water has been absorbed and decomposed by antioxidation reduction water stick. And lastly, providing the necessary mineral such as calcium, magnesium, natrium, kalium, and others that are essential to human body. This simple experiment will demonstrate how it works. The 3 glasses from left to right contains antioxidation reduction water, tap water, and canned purified water respectively. Using BTB solution, we will test their pH values. We have seen antioxidation reduction water appears blue, which means pH value is 10.5, alkaline. Tap water appears light green, which means pH value is 7, neutral. And canned purified water appears light yellow, which means pH value is 4, acidic. This shows that the antioxidation reduction water that has been transformed by antioxidation reduction water stick is alkaline water and is beneficial to the body. Why do we have to drink alkaline water? First of all, let's test whether the waste matter from the human body is acidic or alkaline. When we blew into the antioxidation reduction water, the blue color changed to yellow. This proves the substance discharged from the human body is acid. It should be noted that the cells in babies are partial alkaline. As they aged, the cells in their bodies are gradually oxidized, then slowly turned acidic, making the body deteriorate. To slow down the speed of oxidation of the cells and thereby enjoying a longer, healthy life, World Health Organization recommended drinking alkaline water. In daily life, we always steep tea in boiling water. But even if the antioxidation reductive water is cool, it can also steep a cup of strong and tasty tea.
표면 장력이 작고 표면 장력이 작다는 것은 결합력이 굉장히 강합니다. 예를 들어서 중국 분들이 녹차를 많이 드시죠. 일반 물에 녹차가 녹는 속도와 저희 물에 녹차가 녹는 속도를 한번.
Now, let's take a look at this experiment. We put equivalent green tea into 2 glasses, one with antioxidation reduction water and the other tap water. After 30 seconds, we can see that there is no change in color in tap water, and the taste did not change. In antioxidation reduction water, the color turned brown and have the strong, delicious tea tastes. It is because the water exists based on the aggregation of water molecule. For example, the water molecule of ordinary water is 112 Hz. Spring of French Longevity Village, 70 Hz. Antioxidation reduction water, 43 Hz. That is so far the healthy water with the smallest molecular weight. We know that the smaller the molecule of substance is, the faster it dissolves. Water is not an exemption. The smaller the aggregation of water molecule, the better the water quality is, and the better the taste is. Why antioxidation reduction water can steep strong and tasty tea without heating. The small molecule aggregation of antioxidation reduction water is extremely absorbed and swiftly discharged, which is beneficial to the normal metabolism of human body. The aforementioned active oxygen refers to the incomplete oxygen, that is excess production, before substance reacting with oxygen. The normal amount of active oxygen in human body is a defense against bacteria and external infection. If there is any excess, we can regard the excess substances as exhaust gas accumulated in human body. So, with excessive active oxygen, body aging can be sped up, which can destroy the cells and become the factors causing all kinds of diseases. How does antioxidation reduction water get rid of exhaust gas from human body? Let's take a look at another experiment. We put iodine, that is rich in active oxygen, into equivalent tap water and antioxidation reduction water.
세 번 정도를 떨어뜨려서 활성산소를 이 물 자체에서 제거를 하는 걸 한번 보여드릴게요. 일반 물은 활성산소가 제거가 안 되고 있고요. 저희 물은
We found that iodine in tap water has been kept the same, and iodine in antioxidation reduction water has been dissolved. By combining hydrogen and oxygen, water can be produced. Antioxidation reduction water has just make use of its own active hydrogen in combining with the active oxygen that is excessive in human body, which has stopped human body from being oxidized by the excessive active oxygen, and then produced safe and harmless water discharging from body. This is the main reason why antioxidation reduction water can keep body young and healthy, It is why the people in French longevity village enjoys the magic of longevity. Vitamin C can restrict the active oxygen in human body. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, which can also restrict active oxygen. However, antioxidant reduction water can restrict active oxygen with the swiftest speed, which shows that it is effective in restricting the active oxygen. It is comparatively difficult for children and elderly to ingest vitamin C or garlic directly. It is easier and more convenient to drink antioxidant reduction water, and the effect is faster. Korean Environment Tap Water Research Institute and Korean Chemical Experiment Research Institute have respectively carried out 46 thorough examinations and tests for antioxidant reduction water stick transformed antioxidant reduction water, the result of which shows all indexes conform to the standards of international high-quality healthy drinking water. Many clinical tests show that the antioxidant reduction water stick transformed antioxidant reduction water can get rid of the active oxygen that can cause diseases and aging, protect DNA, lower blood sugar, prevent arterial sclerosis, and may prevent cancer. It also has remarkable curative effect to diabetes mellitus, cardiac disease, rheumatism, hyperplasia, and hyperlipemia. Drinking antioxidant reduction water for a long period of time can improve microorganism environment within the stomach and intestines and helps cure diseases such as gastric ulcer, astriction, dysentery, among others. This shows the difference of the distribution of the erythrocytes in the blood before and after drinking antioxidant reduction water. Before drinking, erythrocytes were condensed, and after drinking, the erythrocytes appeared dense and evenly distributed. Drinking antioxidant reduction water for a long period of time can help retain women's skin moisture, making soft and young looking, balance the fats in the body, and can aid in healthy weight-losing diet. Antioxidant reduction water transformed by antioxidant reduction water stick can also get rid of the bitterness and pungent tastes of bamboo shoot and the fishy odor of seafood. Soaking animal's liver and fresh meat in the antioxidant reduction water for 20 to 30 minutes can reduce the smell and make the meat more tender and delicious. Even vegetables and fruits will have longer shelf life when soaked in antioxidant reduction water. In some advanced countries such as Korea and Japan, people started drinking antioxidant reduction water a few years ago. Media had also played a role in disseminating the importance of antioxidant reduction water. In the continuous social progress and constant pursuit of high quality of life, well-being and longevity is a primary concern. However, life cannot survive without headspring, which is water. Hopefully, healthy antioxidant reduction water pours new vitality into our lives and to all those who value life.